Okay, so hello and what's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna be explaining to you the most confusing special abilities in top 11 2021 and that how you can use them and how you can use them perfectly. So the first special ability that we're gonna be getting into is the dribbler special ability. Okay, so the dribbler, like you can see I have over here, is a lot of people misunderstand the dribbler and they think it is one of the most useless special abilities, although it is one of the most misunderstood special abilities. You see, what most people do is that they have a dribbler on a middle center over here, as you can see, and what they try to do is that they play the dribbler from the middle center and then they try to dribble the player upwards through the center and then pass it to the forwards or AMC and for them to score. Whereas what the dribbler is made to do, or if they have it on middle left or middle right, what they do is that they usually place the dribbler at the middle left, but they're also playing wingers in their team. You see, what the dribbler is meant to be doing is that the dribbler needs to take the ball from within the center and then dribble it towards upwards all the way up to the field and then cross it in to the forwards and AMCs so that they can tap in and score. Dribble it upwards the field and until the most forward it can get, and where the dribbler comes into effect is usually around this area over where I'm pointing. This area is where the dribbler mostly comes into the play, and you will see your player dribble through opposition's defense and cross it and then come over here and then cross it over the ball back. So what most players do is that they play the dribbler in the presence of a winger. So what happens is that the dribbler, as soon as the dribbler gets the ball, it passes on to the winger, and then the winger moves forward up the line and then crosses the ball into the box, and then the striker scores. This way the dribbler's special ability never comes into effect and the dribbler becomes useless, and most players say that the dribbler never comes into effect, whereas the winger has taken the part of the dribbler. What dribbler special ability makes middle left do is that it allows him to play the part of a winger throughout the side he has been playing through. So what you must do in order to bring the dribbler special ability into effect is that you must be playing him into a formation with a formation such this like this one. As you can see, in this formation I do not have wingers and I have a dribbler which I can play as a wide winger. So what this dribbler would do is that he would take the ball from the middle center and then move it upwards the field, upwards into the box, and then cross it on from here to the center forwards or the AMCs in order to score. If you use this formation without the wingers, I'm pretty sure that the dribbler special ability would come into effect and would convert your normal middle left or middle right into a winger, and then you'll see the dribbler special ability coming into effect into this area or this area, and then defeating your opponent's defender and moving upwards the line and then crossing the ball into the box. So in order to maximize the effect from a dribbler, the skills that you need to boost the most are its speed and crossing, because a dribbler needs speed, and as soon as the speed is good, it will cross into the enemy's box real quick, and then the crossing needs to be really quick because the dribbler usually crosses the ball into the box from around this area, from like really far away from this area. A winger usually crosses the ball around from this area, whereas a dribbler takes the ball over here upwards the field and then cross it from here. So this way you can make the dribbler special ability come into effect, and it is one of the most useful special abilities if you do not play wingers. So the next special ability that we're going to be moving on to is the playmaker special ability. You see guys, the playmaker special ability can be confusing at times, and it is because the playmaker special ability is given by top 11 to players that are middle centers, and it is somewhat of a glitch, or you can say, whereas the dribbler special ability comes into play the maximum when you have it on an attacking middle center, as you can see over here. You see, if you look at the history of footballing players, the best playmakers have been the ones that have been playing at the attacking middle center position over here, so that a playmaker needs options to pass. So it is a special ability basically made for central positions. As you can see, this AMC is currently playing in the central position. It has 6 places to pass from this one to this to this to this to this and this one. So an AMC, this player is in the center, and he is the basic playmaker. He is in the charge of the game. He is the one who would pass the ball to the best player who is in position to score. And if you play it in the central position such as an AMC or a DMC, then the playmaker special ability would be at its maximum effect, and you would certainly see the playmaking special ability pop up a lot more and make a lot of difference. So in order to make this possible, you need to play an AMC with the special ability of our playmaker, but the playmaker is not only available to the AMC. So in order to get an AMC, a playmaking special ability, you need to also have the middle center and AMC together on a player, and then give him the playmaker special ability so that he plays mostly in the central role. Such as in this formation, the playmaker must be an AMC or an DMC, or if you play without, or if you play in a formation like this, if you want to play the playmaker for the central position, then what you can do is that you can play in formation such like this one. So over here the playmaker is also in the center. As you can see over here, the playmaker is also in the center, so it has a lot of options to pass from, and he would certainly pass to the best one. So that is the playmaker special ability explained, and how you can get the maximum effects from this ability. And the skills that you need to boost in order to get the maximum from this playmaking special ability are creativity, speed, and passing, since those are the most essential special abilities for the playmaker. And make sure that you always play the playmaker in the central roles. If you want to play it in the middle central role, make sure to play it in the center in a formation this way. Or if you want to be playing it in the attacking middle center role, which is the best role that a playmaker can be playing in, then make sure to play it in this kind of formation so that the playmaker is always in the central role. So the next special ability that we're going to be getting into is the Shadow Striker special ability. Okay guys, so the Shadow Striker special ability is mostly confused, and it is available for attacking middle left, attacking middle right, and an AMC. But as I told you guys, AMC is best suited for playmaking special ability, because if you are using the strikers, it is going to be happening very rarely that you see an AMC shoot from farther away, which is the special ability Shadow Striker allows you players to do. Usually this Shadow Striker allows your players to do is that they can shoot from the farther away from this area, and not upwards into the goal. They can shoot from this area and directly score a goal. But if you have strikers in front of the AMC, such that in this formation, then the AMC would certainly not be using the Shadow Striker special ability to its maximum effect, and certainly it won't come into effect. So the best that I can recommend you guys is to use the playmaking the Shadow Striker special ability in the winger's role, so that there are no strikers in front of them, and as soon as the winger gets the ball from the midfield into this area, they can certainly sometimes surprise the opponent by shooting it directly from this area rather than passing it to the striker, and the winger can score the goal. Then the wingers, the AMS and the AMRs are the best positions suited for the Shadow Striker special ability. In case you want your attacking middle center to be the Shadow Striker and use it, then you must choose a formation of this type. Let me show you guys. This type of formation is what you must be looking to use in order for your AMC to be scoring goals by using the Shadow Striker special ability. You see, in this formation, I do not have an AMC in front of my I do not have a striker in front of my AMC line, which means that these guys will certainly, as soon as they get the ball, they will be ready to shoot from this attacking middle center's line, because they do not have an ST in front of them whom they are going to pass to. So in case if you have a Shadow Striker who is an AMC, try playing without the strikers. And the best skills to boost for your AMC that you can be the Shadow Striker, but whoever it is, AML, MR or AMC in your team, the best skills that you can be training for it to boost are going to be shooting and finishing. As you can see, the Shadow Striker is going to be shooting from very far away, so you guys need to be he needs to be very good at finishing and shooting. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. All the confusing special abilities have been explained and how you can get the best out of their performance and how to use them in certain positions. I'd certainly make more videos of this kind to help you, and make sure to subscribe, make sure to like if it helped you. Anyways, until next time, guys, peace out.